What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Say it. Don't spray it. But if you do need to spray it, hey, why don't you pick up a set of these? I just bought these because I actually have some cleaners for my cars. And what I realized is that in some careless moments, I dropped some of the bottles. And so the spray nozzles were all busted. And I was like, well, I don't want to just waste like 30 ounces of cleaner. So I found this. This is actually a 3-pack of spray bottles. It's the Harris Professional spray bottle, and they're pretty big, 32 ounces. Take a look at this. So that is pretty large, so it should be able to handle just about anything that you would have in any kind of consumer-sized spray bottle. And as you can see here, I'm pretty impressed. It's pretty rigid plastic. It's not quite like a Nalgene bottle, but very similar to a standard water bottle. So clear plastic, you can see what's in there. There's even this kind of white label that is like silk screened, and so you can use a Sharpie here and label what it is so you don't drink anything. And then you do have graduation markers on the side here so you know exactly how much there is in there. You got lots of advertising by Harris Spray on there, and then you have a long capped with the screen on the bottom, which is kind of nice, nozzle here. And what I want to show you, that hose here goes all the way to the bottom. Not only goes all the way to the bottom, it's kind of bent, so it's actually longer, so you'll be able to get every last drop of your material out. And you can see up here, typical spray nozzle, and pretty robust, really big spray on there, so I can use all 4 fingers. And then a twisting nozzle right here so I can adjust that spray pattern. So anyway, that's it. Just wanted to quick show it to you because I'm going to start putting my stuff in here with that are coming from broken bottles. Put a link to it in the description. Peter Von Panda out.